Hi, this is Rachel Stone with Commonwealth Computer Training in Richmond, Virginia, and I'm talking about the camera tool in Excel 2010 and 2013. Now, the camera tool is a mostly unknown but very handy feature. It actually works more like a surveillance camera. Let's say you have two sheets in Excel, one with your data and the other one with some calculations and a chart based on your data. It would be nice to see the impact that your data changes would have on your calculations and your chart, be able to see them at the same time without having to click back and forth. Now there's ways to accomplish this, but my new favorite tool is the camera tool. With the camera, it takes a snapshot of your calculations or your chart, and you can place that snapshot right next to your data, and the shot will actually dynamically update as you update the numbers within your data. So what we'll do is we'll first need to add the camera tool to your quick access toolbar, which is just above your ribbon. I'm going to click the drop down arrow here and choose more commands, and instead of popular commands I need to see all commands, so I'll choose that from the list. Then I'll click down into the list below and press the letter C on my keyboard. That takes me to the C's in the list. That's a quick way to get to camera, which I will double click to add it to the list of buttons on my quick access toolbar and click OK. Now there's my camera button. Now I'm going over to my regional sales chart tab where I have some totals based on the values over here on my unit sales by region. So there's my totals, and I also have a chart. So why don't we grab the totals first. Now the first step is to select the cells that contain the data you want in your snapshot. So I'm going to select this group of cells, and then on my quick access toolbar I'm going to click the camera button. Notice I have the marching ants around the selection, and my mouse pointer also looks like a crosshair. I'm going over to my first tab, which where my data is housed, and I'll just use my crosshair to draw out a little box, and you'll see there's the snapshot of my totals. And I'll show you how this will dynamically update. Notice that currently my north value is 10,850. I'll change this number to, let's say, 5,000. As soon as I press enter, you can see that number update. Now I'm going back over to my regional sales chart. Let's say I'd like to grab the chart as well. I'll tell you what, why don't we first delete this box. I'm going to select it, press delete on my keyboard, it's gone. And now we'll grab the chart. Now when I click to select the chart, notice that my camera button is grayed out. What I have to do to get the chart is select the cells surrounding the chart. So I'm going to select the cells that are all behind this chart. Then I'm going to click the camera tool. Now I'll go back over to my unit sales per region tab, and I'm going to draw another box again, and you'll see there it grabbed my chart. And we'll also make another change here so you can see it. Let's say for South, this product one value is very low at $45, so why don't we make that one 5,000. As soon as I press enter, you'll see that snapshot has shown the update to that chart, and you can see that here as well over on the chart tab. And when I'm through making the changes, I can just click on my snapshot and delete it. Now I could also grab both of these things at once if that would make things easier, so I'll do this one more time. I'll select this whole range of cells, click the camera, come back over to my first tab with my data, draw out the box, and there it is. So I can see an immediate impact on my grand totals and my chart. Make this 10,000 so you can see that dramatic change here, and also in my east value here. So that's a quick demonstration of the camera tool in Excel 2010 and 2013. I hope this is a useful tool for you. This is Rachel Stone with Commonwealth Computer Training, signing off.